Multiply the integers. We have negative 3 times negative 3. So I'm going to start on the number line at negative 3. Now if we were multiplying by positive 3, we would continue on to the left, like that. We're multiplying by a negative 3, which means you're going to flip and then go to the right. So I can look at this two different ways. I'll show you probably the simplest way first, is if you start from 0 and then you just do 1, 2, 3, negative 3, so you're at negative 9 here. And then because of the negative sign, you flip it. So then that flips you all the way from negative 9 all the way over to positive 9 right here. So 1, 2, 3 positive 3's is the same as negative 3 times negative 3. And another way to look at it is you can just start at this negative 3 and then flip it right away to put you a positive 3 and then just go 1, 2, 3 from here. And either way, you'll end up at positive 9. This is a little tricky to understand on a number line. Let me show you with chips and see if that makes more sense. Okay, so we have negative 3, so we're starting with that. And then we're multiplying by negative 3. Now when you multiply by a negative, you have to flip the chips. So let me get all the chips we need first. And we need to flip one of those. Okay, so this would be negative 3 times positive 3, which would make negative 9. But we're doing negative 3 times negative 3, so what we have to do is we have to flip all these chips. That's what multiplying by a negative does. Okay, now this represents negative 3 times negative 3 because all the negatives were flipped over. So we have a positive 9, and that's why a negative integer times a negative integer makes a positive, because you're reversing direction on the number line or you're flipping the chip.